Product differentiation is great, but how different will the products be? The Hotelling model, named after a guy named Hotelling, attempts to predict how firms producing differentiated products will respond to competition. Imagine we're having a street festival along this road, and we want some food trucks to come in and serve food. If we invite only one food truck, they will want to park right in the middle of the stretch of road in order to be as close to all the customers as possible and gain the largest market share. But if we invite a couple more food trucks in, where should they locate? Ideally, we would want to space them out so that people who come to our festival are never too far from some food. Those closest to the red truck will go to the red truck, those closest to the yellow truck will go there, and those closest to the purple truck will go to the purple truck. Each food truck splits the market evenly, each catering to different customers along our stretch of road. But is this the equilibrium? Is this the outcome where no food truck has an incentive to change their behavior? No, it's not. Not if these food trucks are competing with one another. The food trucks on the outside have an incentive to move in. They don't face any competition from the edges, and so by moving closer to the yellow truck, more customers will be closer to them, and they will be able to capture a larger market share. The food trucks will tend to bunch together. Is this a good outcome? Not for the consumers. There were lots of people on the ends of the festival who had a food truck nearby, but now that truck has moved towards the center and they'll have to go further to get food. And all because there isn't more competition who will swoop in and serve their end of the road. This analogy extends to product differentiation. Firms with market power have an incentive to move towards the design of their competition. They will try to steal their competitors' customers by producing products as similar to the competition's as possible. As a result, there will be too little product differentiation. Market power is an important part of this. This strategy of copying your competitors only works if no one swoops in to serve the customers who like things a little different. But we do see lots of firms converge on the same idea. Every fast food chain started introducing chicken sandwiches, and they pretty much all look the same. So do smartphones these days, or cars. When a car company stumbles onto a new popular design, every other car company rushes to copy it as best they can in order to compete. This isn't as big of a problem as it might seem. I love chicken sandwiches, and these firms all offer their own unique twists on other products. The real conclusion here is that competition is again the key element to the proper functioning of markets. With more competition, there will be more incentive for firms to experiment with new ideas. And as we know, more competition helps drive down prices and incentivize firms to economize on their use of resources.